The BMW X1 is a compact luxury SUV that combines sporty dynamics with the versatility and practicality expected from an SUV. Under the hood, it offers a range of engines, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which produces 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The X1 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.3 seconds, making it one of the quicker vehicles in its class. The exterior design of the BMW X1 is characterized by its sporty and aggressive stance. It features the iconic kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The X1's compact dimensions make it highly maneuverable, particularly suited for urban environments. The M Sport package, available as an option, adds sportier styling elements, including larger wheels, a sport-tuned suspension, and unique trim accents. Inside, the BMW X1 offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The seating is comfortable and supportive, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats can be folded flat to expand the cargo area, providing a generous amount of storage space. Standard features include an 8.8-inch iDrive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a navigation system, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Optional features include a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen, a head-up display, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. The BMW X1 is equipped with a range of advanced safety features to ensure the protection of its occupants. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the X1 offers parking sensors, a parking assistance system, and a surround-view camera as optional upgrades. These features enhance driver confidence and provide an extra layer of security in various driving conditions. Driving the BMW X1 is an engaging experience thanks to its responsive steering, well-tuned suspension, and available all-wheel drive system. The xDrive all-wheel drive system improves traction and stability, making it suitable for various road conditions, including wet or snowy surfaces. The X1's compact size also contributes to its agility, allowing it to navigate tight city streets and crowded parking lots with ease. Overall, the BMW X1 stands out in the competitive compact luxury SUV segment by offering a compelling mix of performance, luxury, and practicality. Its stylish design, advanced technology, and enjoyable driving dynamics make it a popular choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience in a smaller, more urban-friendly package.